So just in case you guys were wondering what's going on, my dad had my truck at the North Fork Market. I had to call MCA to get that service done for my dad. I was not there with them. I am waiting for them to show up here. And hold on. And there's my truck right there. It's taken about an hour because we live in a very small town and it's hard to get a tow truck out to here. But as you guys can see, there it is. Because that's not docks. But
what?
That's not dock service.
North Star is docks.
Oh, apparently North Star is docks towing. But my truck is here. And we didn't pay for a damn thing. So there you have it. North Star. Because my dad had to break my truck. Because you broke my truck.
I did. I'll admit it.
But
service was right on time.
Right on time.
Took 15 minutes from the call back. It said 45 minutes. It was less than 45 minutes.
Because Motor Club of America rocks.
Right? Yeah, we're still docked. We're just changing some of the names of some of the trucks.